Good morning. Good morning again, you all people. So for today, it's actually my day off today. I was supposed to work, but then like it was a 4-hour shift, so I gave it away. So I just picked up another 4-hour shift tomorrow. That way I'm only working like a full 8. It's 8:15 in the morning. I dropped off my mom. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna set an alarm today because it's my day off. Let's see what time I'll wake up. Woke up at like 6 something, and I was like, man, my body is just like so used to it now, I think, which is okay, I guess. It's like forcing me to be like a morning person, but right now I'm not doing anything. I'm probably gonna go back to bed because I had like such a long day yesterday, and then I don't know what I'll do. I don't have anything planned for today. Well, I have to go to school. I think today's the last day of school, but then like my classmates said that it was last Wednesday, but I thought it was today because then it's in the curriculum. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. If there's no class, then there's no class. I'm gonna go home if there's no class, but if there is, then I'm probably gonna do that. But yeah, and I'm thinking of getting my friend to go Christmas shopping with me. I don't know if he's gonna be able to go, but yeah, I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'm probably gonna sleep for like another hour, and then I'm gonna wake up and do some editing from yesterday's vlog, and then do some studying. I'm probably gonna record some songs too because it's been a while since I've done one, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I wake up again. Wonderful. All right, bye. Good morning again. I woke up. It's almost 9, but I mean it's almost 12. Oh, look at my crusty finger. I don't want to show you, honestly, it's so gross. But I woke up. It's 11:40. I woke up before the afternoon. That's pretty good. I am starving. I was gonna stay awake earlier, but then like I was hungry, and I'm doing like 16 hours fasting every day, so I was like, I'm just gonna go back to sleep so I don't eat. So let's go eat upstairs. I'm gonna have some, I don't know if I want coffee or tea, but you know what? I'll have coffee. I'm gonna ask my Lola if she wants coffee too, and then we'll have tea today later if I don't like the coffee. Oh my god, sorry, that was so close. I'm hungry. I can't wait to eat.
Ina.
Ikaw na naman. Lagi ka na lang.
Grabe na naman ako. Kumain ka na.
My Lola again. Surprisingly. So I usually do coffee like at home on my day off, like, because I just don't want to spend another extra $4 or $5 outside again for coffee. But, and also if I have like lots of time and I have like nothing to do and just like wait for my coffee, I usually do like French press. I don't know, it's just like better tasting coffee for me instead of like the drip coffee. I don't have any cream or sweetener at home right now, so if it's not good, I'm switching to tea. Plans for today. Plan is I'm probably gonna edit for like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours top, and hopefully it's a lot faster. I'm gonna edit a lot faster because I've been editing on Premium Pro lately because I've been having troubles with my iPad storage and stuff, so I have to get that fixed. And then after editing, I'm gonna go to Shoppers because I have to buy some stuff there. I'll show you later what I'm gonna buy at Shoppers. And I'm probably gonna go to like Safeway or like Superstore or any of that to buy some heavy cream or heavy cream. Yeah, I think just heavy. Oh, you know what, I think I'm gonna buy eggnog too because I really liked eggnog from the party. And then lastly, I'm gonna go to the mall, or I'm gonna try to go to the mall, because I didn't realize that my Secret Santa for Friday party ordered something that's not Prime on Amazon. So now I have to get him something little while he's waiting for the actual gift to arrive, because I'm gonna order it today, and my stupid self thought that it was Prime and that I only need 2 days, but I don't. So that's that. That's wonderful. Now I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna drink my coffee, and then yeah, that's what we're doing for the morning. I probably should have stayed awake, hey? I didn't know how I was gonna go to all these places because I have to make sure that I make it to school. My ulam for today is menudo. It looks nasty. I'm gonna go eat. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat. Oh, that's good. That's good. Dark crust is good, guys. All right. Well, I'm gonna go clean up this mess, and then I'm gonna edit, and then I'm gonna go to the outlet mall with my daddy since he's home early, and I'm gonna go to Shoppers and all the other stuff later. So we're just doing it like backwards. Alrighty, I'm gonna drink my coffee now and edit. We will see you later. Alright, it is currently 2:21 p.m. and I just finished editing today's video. Okay, so this video that I'm filming now is gonna be up tomorrow. See, it's confusing me too, but it's okay. We're in this together. So I finished cutting, which is like the hardest part of editing videos, I feel like. I'm gonna go get ready now to go to the outlet mall, and then I have to go run some errands with my dad later, and then I'm gonna be back home and finish the whole thing and upload this so it's ready for like 7 p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna go get ready, and I'll be back, I guess. We are at Outlet Mall now.
Welcome to my channel.
We're going to Under Armour first because my dad's gonna return something, and then we're gonna check out the deals today, which is probably not much because it's a Wednesday, but we'll try anyways. Should I go to Kate's, babe? No, I shouldn't. I'm gonna go to David's Tea and redeem my free tea.
I'm gonna taste David's tea.
David's Tea, let's go. Thoughts. I got more tea at David's Tea. I got my dad some tea. We're just at Nike now, shopping for a little bit. And I think we're done here. There's really not much to see here in the outlet mall right now. Saan nga tayo pupunta?
We're going to Team Canada. It's Team Kitchen.
We're gonna go to Think Kitchen now, or Kitchen Think, something like that.
So we're trying something to cook.
Where is it? I hope they have sale. We are here. It's Think Kitchen. Think Kitchen.
Think Kitchen.
I need to go to the knife area because he likes the knife. So let's go to the knife area. Video number 4 is just uploading. We are gonna go to Shoppers now to grab the package that I got. I don't know which one. So exciting. Alright. Let's finish this tea and then let's go. Let's go. I have been waiting for this parcel for 1 month, no, a month and 2 days.
Please tell us how we did today. Thank you for using our self-checkout.
Car's right here.
Oh shit. store.
Yeah, I ordered this right on the launch day. It was a gong show when I ordered it. We finished eating and Julian wouldn't let go of the package. We're back in my room. We're gonna unbox that package real quick just because we've been waiting for it for such a very long time now. Hopefully we're not like disappointed because like we waited so long, right? So let's go deep into it. Let's do it. Let's open it. Woohoo! Oh shit. I only got to order 3 things because it was like chaos when it launched. Because the site broke after like 2 minutes and I was like, oh my god, like it's not loading. Like this isn't loading at all. And my coworker was also like helping me. So thank you, Keith. Julian just can't wait. Jesus. Okay, well, it is protected.
Oh my god.
So you get one of these in the packaging. Or like, you get one of these. And then, what is that? I think that's just extra. This is just like lots of, ooh! Yay! I wanted to get the gloss too, but it wasn't showing when it all launched. But this is it! I got Julian the mini controversy palette. Is she ever gonna use this? Probably not. Yeah, wait. A controversy palette.
It feels so nice.
Yay, I know. It's so pretty. Ah! Finally! Oh my god. I finally have it. It's actually so much lighter than I thought it would be.
Oh my god.
This is the mini controversy.
Oh.
Ta-da! All the colors are so pretty.
This is so nice.
Oh my
Put them
god.
together. Put them together.
Let's open this thing. I'm sure you guys have seen this so many times, but oh my god. I love it. I love it so much. So excited. Well, that is all I have for today. We're probably gonna play with this a little bit more and I might do another video for it. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll do it. I'll show you guys more of it tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog just because my camera is dying right now. But yeah, I'll tell you guys the story of how I got it and everything like that and all that stuff. My battery is like freshly charged, so I'm gonna like finish this vlog in a proper way because I feel like I was rushing earlier. But yeah, so I got my Jeffree Star package, which is very fun, but also like I kind of like lost interest because I like waited for a month and 3 days, which is very long, and I had to pay like customs and I don't know, but when I opened the actual thing, it was like, oh my god, yeah, and like it was all worth it. It was fun. It is currently 9:50 p.m. I'm gonna go get ready for bed. I have not long day. I don't have anything planned for tomorrow. It's probably gonna be like a day in my life type of thing, and I will see you tomorrow morning. I will try to vlog again as early as possible. I think I'm more ready today because my bag is all set up. My baon is all set up upstairs. Even my clothes are like good to go for my shift tomorrow. So I'm literally just like gonna wake up and hopefully I have time to curl my hair because I want to curl my hair tomorrow. But yeah, that's it, guys. Bye. I hope you have a good night or a good morning. See you tomorrow.